What do we have here today? Gonna go ahead and put some gutters up on the house here. Let's start over here in the new addition I put on last year. I put a gutter up on here. Well, first thing is, I went to Lowe's, got all the good stuff, and then gonna go ahead and lay out and snap a string line from there down, and then lay out my brackets so that everything's good. Should be good. Okay, here a little fast forward ahead here. I got my string line snapped up on my house, proper amount of pitch that I need. I just started fastening my brackets, so I got measured out 10 and 1/2 inches, which are the size of my gutters there, and put my bracket on the end, and then I got to do these coupler brackets here, so I laid out those 10 and 1/2, and then I'm mounting them up there now. I'm going to go back through and put the support brackets in there. Works out 120 inches. We can put them in every 40 inches, how many brackets I got. So probably get a little bit of kickback on how far apart they are, but for the most part, I believe it'll hold up just fine. So 40 inches apart, I'll go through and space them out, and we should be good. Okay, another little fast forward here. So I got that piece of gutter up down there. I've put my brackets on here. Just wanted to do a little demonstration here on how they snap together. So there's a groove in the front and a groove in the back, and then like I said, I got my couplers put in there. So I'll go ahead and snap this thing in, see how it goes. I like to kind of put the back in first. Put the back in there first. Okay, and then if you just roll it ahead, snaps right into place. So pretty nice setup. Okay, here, so we got the gutters all up. I'll show you a little video of this here. That goes across, it's all up, brackets look pretty decent. So now I got to put my downspout in, and I kept it back away from the edge a little so that when I come down the edge of the house, I don't have to go into my corner piece. So I'm going to be doing some measurements in the air here, so sometimes it's tough to be able to figure out these downspouts like this. So I find that a folding rule will allow me to give me the angles and the proper measurements that I need to do that. So I'll go ahead and put this up, and then I'll show you the finished product. Well, what do we have here? All done. Brackets are up. Looks pretty good down through here. All in all, I'm pretty happy with it. The joints in the middle there, I just used some multi-purpose silicone-based silicone to make sure that those joints right there don't leak. Just put some silicone in there. Downspout is done. It comes over the house and comes down. I did put a flat rock there just to help dissipate the water a little bit, but you'll see why I set that in those brackets in order to put the screw in there. I had to set that inside of it a little bit. Well, a little trick that I use there, I dab a little white silicone on all my screws and stuff when I'm done, so you can't see them. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day.